So now it's after breakfast. We're all just sitting around cleaning ourselves, except for me. There's Callie Mama. She came in. We have Peaches and Mango and McFlurry still eating. They're so cute. And then we have the guards up here. They're just making sure everything's okay. Hi guys. Come on in, Callie Mama. Got Mrs. Walter. Got Peaches and Oreo. Mango and Dewey. And McFlurry and Huey. It's just a good day. It's not too cold. It's December 29th. We're just hanging and crunching in the cat shed. And I have my new camera. Pretty cool. We'll get this place cleaned up even more. Have a good breakfast, guys. Maybe Callie Mama will come in.